Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12091 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2013 Ford Fusion. To give you a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 20 to 40 minutes, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Locate and remove 4 fasteners located here, and 6 fasteners located here. Once removed, carefully remove the body fascia. This fascia will not be reinstalled. On the driver's side, locate the frame rail attachment point. Fish wire the included hardware into place by inserting the coiled end of the fish wire up into the large attachment point in the frame rail and out through the foremost access hole. It may help to bend the fish wire slightly to help route the fish wire. Place the CMSP10 square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the large access point in the frame. Then thread an included carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt up into the large access point, through the square hole spacer, and down and out through the rear attachment point. Repeat this same fish wire process on the foremost attachment point. Repeat this entire fish wire process for the opposite hardware attachment points on the other side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position. Route the fish wires through the attachment points in the side plates on the hitch and raise the hitch over the fish wired hardware. With the hitch raised into position over the hardware, carefully remove the fish wires and fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hex flange nuts. Repeat this on both side plates of the hitch. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. And that's a wrap. This completes the installation of the CURT 12091 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2013 Ford Fusion. Check out our Euro mount option for your hitch and install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.